Hi guys and welcome to the bonus page for Cohortia. Now this launches on the 24th of January, 11 AM Eastern Standard. But prior to that launch, they do have two pre-sale webinars. Now I'm going to show you why it's really important for you to be on one of those webinars. Now we've got a special bonus. Now this has only just been added. I have not mentioned it in any of my emails or anything like that because I know this is going to sell very, very quickly. It will go probably on one of the webinars or within the first few hours of the Cohortia launch on the 24th because we only have 10 spots for this. Now, I'm rebuilding the online success model. I'm rebuilding the whole system out. Now, this is one of the first products that I'm launching in there. It's going to be $297. It's called the OSM Toolbox. Now, it's full members area, and you've got these products already inside there. So you've got the audience creator, you've got the legal creator, so it creates legal pages. You've got the marketing creator, so it will create marketing for whatever product you're creating. Sales rebrander, so what it'll do, it'll rebrand reseller pages. Traffic plan creator, so creating a product or creating an affiliate product campaign, this will create your traffic plan. So those are the products that are in the OSM toolbox at the moment, but in about 4 or 5 days there's another two being added and it will grow constantly. Once this launches, it's going to launch at $297. We've got 10 spots only for it. You need to purchase the bundle and we will create you an account inside the OSM toolbox. Now, when this launches, as I said, it will be $297. It's 10 spots only. To lock in one of those spots, to kind of guarantee one of those spots, I would make sure that you're on either the webinar on the 23rd or the webinar on the 24th, or be very, very quick when this launches on the 24th. Okay. Now, as I said, I'm not mentioning any of my emails or anything like that because I know this will sell very, very quickly. So if you want the OSM toolbox, make sure that you lock in the bundle and you're in the first 10 buyers. Now, on the 24th, when this launches, we've also got an amazing front end bonus. Now, again, if you purchase the bundle, you get access to this as well. So, this is an amazing offer. Now, what we've done is we've created 4 products to go with the main Cohortia product. Now, Cohortia is a community creator, has AI built in there. Now, on the 24th, I'll give you a full review. I've been using this and it's a really nice product. Now, these products are all built to help you use Cohortia better. Now, I'm also including white label, a reseller for these 4 products. So we've got the Cohortia Content Intelligence. We've got the Cohortia Engagement Optimizer. We've got the Cohortia Growth Console. And we've got the Cohortia Revenue Engine. That tells you each one what it does. Now for each one, we're also including resellers. So you get the sales pages, thank you pages, everything else. We're also including the Done For You Bundle Reseller, which means you can resell the 4 of those products as a bundle. So that's a great, great offer as well. And then we've got the white glove app build. So what we'll do is we will build those 4 products for you and we will rebrand the sales pages. And we've got white glove payment integration. Now, if you don't know how to kind of integrate your payment platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, we'll do that for you. And as you can see, we have some more great bonuses as well. Okay, so you can see, go down here, some great bonuses. Huge bonus package. Now, if you come right to the bottom of the page, you'll see a free download. So let's go right down here. So these are day 1s. You'll get more on day 2, which is the 23rd. Then those will be removed on the 24th. So make sure they claim those. But I just want to kind of cover that as again is if you want the toolbox, make sure that you're in the first 10 buyers. Make sure that you attend the webinar on the 23rd or 24th. Lock in that bundle and get access to the OSM toolbox. But also the Cohortia, front-end bonus that kind of starts here all the way down. You get everything there just for purchasing the front end. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.